Welcome back to Tech Vibe. If you recently looked at the price tag on the new iPad Pro and felt your jaw hit the floor, you are not alone. With Apple hiking prices due to a massive memory crunch, a lot of us are looking around and wondering if there is a better option. Well, Samsung has been watching, and they are about to drop an absolute bombshell on the tablet market. Get ready, because the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Plus is not just an upgrade. It is a direct, aggressive strike at the premium tablet crown. And it might just be the most important device Samsung releases in 2026. In this video, we are breaking down everything you need to know about the Tab S12 Plus. From a completely unexpected chipset shift that has Qualcomm sweating, to a battery upgrade that changes the game, to a controversial design decision regarding the base model that might force you to change your buying plans entirely. You will want to stick around for the software updates alone, because Samsung is doing something with this tablet that makes the competition look outdated. Let's get right into it. Let us start with the elephant in the room, the sheer processing power inside this beast. For years, the conversation around Android tablets was that they simply could not compete with Apple's M-series chips. But Samsung is rewriting that narrative for the Tab S12 Plus, and they are doing it by doubling down on a surprising partnership. The Tab S12 Plus is reportedly packing the brand new MediaTek Dimensity 9500 processor built on a cutting-edge 3nm architecture. If you are a longtime Samsung fan, you might be wondering why they are bypassing Snapdragon. The truth is, MediaTek has been quietly building absolute monsters, and this third straight year of Samsung using their flagship silicon for the premium tablet models is a massive vote of confidence. The 3nm Dimensity 9500 is engineered for extreme efficiency and raw multi-core performance. We are talking about desktop-level gaming, seamless 4K video rendering, and heavy multitasking without the tablet breaking a sweat. This chipset is expected to be paired with 12 GB of RAM as the standard baseline, with up to at least 256 GB of internal storage. And yes, Samsung is keeping the micro SD card slot alive, allowing you to expand your storage without paying the exorbitant markup fees that other companies charge for memory upgrades. But power means nothing if you do not have a beautiful canvas to view it on. Samsung has always been the undisputed king of displays, and the Tab S12 Plus is taking things to the absolute limit. You are looking at a gorgeous 12.4-inch dynamic AMOLED display. This OLED screen will support a fluid 120 Hz variable refresh rate, making every swipe, scroll, and animation feel perfectly instantaneous. But here is where it gets highly interesting. Rumors are pointing to a potential design tweak for the front-facing camera. Instead of hiding it entirely in the standard bezel, Samsung might adopt a punch-hole cutout in the display for the 12-megapixel front camera. This camera will naturally support 4K video recording, making it an absolute powerhouse for premium video conferencing and content creation. The colors on this display will be deeper, the blacks will be perfect, and the peak brightness is expected to push boundaries, making outdoor visibility a breeze. Whether you are editing raw photos, watching high-dynamic range movies, or sketching with the included S Pen, this screen is going to be incredibly immersive. And speaking of the S Pen, let us talk about the value proposition. Unlike some competitors that charge over $100 for their stylus, Samsung continues the fan-favorite tradition of including the S Pen right in the box. This magnetically attaching stylus boasts ultra-low latency, making writing and drawing feel exactly like pen on paper. Combine that with the quad speakers tuned with Dolby Atmos support, and the Tab S12 Plus is effectively a portable home theater and a professional digital art studio rolled into one impossibly thin slab of metal. It will retain its IP68 dust and water resistance rating, meaning you can take it to the pool or use it in the kitchen without a second thought. It also features a USB 3.2 Type-C port, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 6.0 for lightning-fast connectivity. Now, let us discuss the battery, because this is where things get seriously exciting for heavy users. The previous generation already had great endurance, but the Tab S12 Plus is rumored to receive a substantial battery bump, housing a massive 10,500 to 10,600 mAh cell. When you combine a battery of that sheer size with the ultra-efficient 3nm Dimensity 9500 chip, we are looking at potential multi-day battery life for average use, and easily a full, heavy day of screen-on time for power users. This is exactly what professionals need. You do not want to be hunting for a charger in the middle of a flight or a long commute. While we are still waiting to confirm the exact charging speeds, you can expect Samsung's fast charging technology to get you back up and running relatively quickly. However, there is a catch to this year's lineup, and it is a controversial one that you need to be aware of. If you have been waiting for a compact, budget-friendly 11-inch base model of the Tab S12, you are going to be disappointed. According to highly reliable early certification database listings and industry leaks, Samsung is completely ditching the base model for the second generation in a row. They are strictly releasing the 12.4-inch Tab S12 Plus and the massive 14.6-inch Tab S12 Ultra. Samsung is essentially telling the market that their flagship tablet experience requires a larger canvas. If you want a premium Samsung tablet this year, you have to go big. This forces buyers into a higher price bracket. But it also means the Plus model is effectively the new entry point into the flagship tier, which explains why they are packing it with such incredible hardware. Perhaps the most compelling reason to buy the Tab S12 Plus, though, is the software and longevity. Samsung is expected to launch this device with Android 17 and their brand new One UI 9.0 right out of the box. Samsung has made a monumental commitment to sustainability and user value by offering 7 generations of Android operating system upgrades and 7 years of security updates. That means if you buy this tablet in 2026, it will be fully supported and updated all the way up to Android 24. No other tablet manufacturer on the Android side is offering this level of future-proofing. On top of that, One UI 9.0 is expected to bring a massive suite of advanced artificial intelligence features, deeply integrating Galaxy AI into the core of the system. You can expect advanced real-time translation, incredible photo editing capabilities, smart summarization for your notes and web browsing, and seamless ecosystem connectivity with your Galaxy smartphone and smartwatches. So, when can you actually get your hands on this? All signs, including recent international certifications, point to a September 2026 release window, likely aligning with the massive IFA Tech show in Berlin. This launch timing is brilliant. It puts the Tab S12 Plus perfectly positioned ahead of the holiday shopping season and Black Friday. With Apple raising their prices, Samsung has a golden opportunity to undercut them while offering more included accessories, expandable storage, and a longer support lifecycle. The Galaxy Tab S12 Plus is shaping up to be the ultimate premium tablet of the year, blending uncompromising power with a stunning display and unmatched longevity. That wraps up our deep dive into the Galaxy Tab S12 Plus. What do you think about Samsung ditching the base model? Are you Team Plus or Team Ultra? Let us know down in the comments below because we read every single one. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to stay ahead of the curve on all things tech, make sure you smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload from Tech Vibe. We have a lot more exclusive content coming your way very soon. Until next time, stay tech savvy and we will see you in the next video.